We got Hamilton and the Hamsters.
Where are they from?
It's Canada. We got Hamilton and Hopscotch and Hot Rod on a learning journey. Come along with us in Canada, where we learn and we have fun. We're gonna jam to some songs with Hamilton and the Hamsters. Put your hands together for Hamilton and the Hamsters.
I love so many different animals, all the way from my hamsters to cats like this here. This is Gonzo. We're pretty good friends. He teaches me a lot, especially all about relaxation. There's many things you can learn from different animals, all the way from whales in the ocean, or even monkeys climbing the trees. You can learn many things and learn about them and their habitats. Learn about where they go. Learn about where they walk. I can't wait to learn so much more and talk more with Gonzo and see if Hot Rod can teach me anything.
Welcome back, everybody. It's your most gracious host, Hot Rod. And I'm here today with a very special friend of mine. This is Bobby the Bear.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, everybody. Bobby the Bear's a little bit shy. He's a little on the shy side. And I'm trying to get him out of his trunk for once. So I decided to introduce him to the one type of animal that can get anybody out of any shell. A party animal. Let's go join the party and see what the others are up to. Come on, Bobby.
Okay.
Now that we're at the party, I want you to meet a couple of my buddies. This here is Mike the Moose. He's always early.
Oh, hey, Hot Rod.
Hey, Mike, it's good to see you. He's one of my most oldest of friends, so I know that he'll treat my new friend over here, Bobby Bear, with some respect.
Any friend of Hot Rod's is a friend of mine. Welcome to the party, Bobby Bear.
Oh, you guys are gonna be fast friends, I can just tell. A classic duo in the making indeed. Speaking of classic duos, I got one right next to me. Right here, these are the Mice Twins.
Hey everyone! Hey Bobby Bear! We're the Mice Twins, Sandy and Star. We're so cute and always together. But it's not just us two. Mice mamas can have lots more babies. Typically 12 in a bunch, sometimes 14. Can you believe it?
Oh, wow, 14. That's way more than I'd like. I'm okay with just Dolly and Hopscotch.
I love my brothers and sisters all the same.
Well, that's good. That's great. Speaking of which, I think I hear someone hopping on by.
Hi everyone, it's me, Frankie the Frog.
Ah, Frankie, I'd love for you to meet our new friend over here, Bobby the Bear.
Hi Bobby, how are you today?
Let's party!
Ah, yeah!
Yeah, it's an animal party for the party animals, and here's Mike the Moose.
I'm Mike the Moose. I'm here to party. Let's all get loose.
Yeah, let's invite the zoo. It's an animal party.
Party animals.
It's an animal party.
I'm glad everyone was able to make it, and it looks like we're all having a great time. How about you, Bobby? Did you enjoy the party?
I had a great time, Hot Rod. Thanks for inviting me out. I really enjoyed meeting all your animal friends. They were so inviting and welcoming.
Yeah, I'm really glad that you guys are all getting along. But now that you're out of your shell, I got actually one more person for you to meet. Last but never least, my sister, Hopscotch!
You called?
Ah, Hopscotch. Hey, I want you to meet a very close friend of mine. This here is Bobby the Bear.
Hi Bobby the Bear!
Hi, Hopscotch. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you enjoying the party?
I'm loving the party. I met so many new friends today.
And you know what, Bobby? You and I and Hot Rod and everyone here, we're all gonna be friends forever.
Great time partying. Woo, animal party.
Woo!
Hello and welcome back to Animal Talk with your host Hamilton. Today we're talking animals, and no one else better to talk to than an animal himself. I'm here with Gonzo. Say something to the people. Well said. Animals have many unique qualities and everyone is different. Gonzo, what are something that makes a cat unique? Ah, that's true. And Gonzo here is so adorable. and we love him so much. But he's not just cute, he's also a bit of a predator. Isn't that right? You see those instincts? He moves fast. When he's alert, his mind is going, and he's on a mission. Well, we'll catch up with Gonzo after, but this has been great, and this has been Animal Talk with your host, Hamilton. See you later.
Hi!
But you're not Hamilton.
Oh, no, I'm not Hamilton. My name is Stablehand Sally.
Stablehand? What's a stablehand?
Oh, a stablehand is someone who takes care of horses.
Horses? I don't like the sound of that. No way, Jose.
But horses are so nice and gentle, and they're big, and they might seem a little scary, but they're the sweetest creatures ever. And speaking of sound, did you know that a horse can hear a human's heartbeat from 4 feet away?
4 feet away? That's amazing.
Speaking of which, I think I hear someone coming.
Whoa! Hey guys, how's it going, Sally?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I see you met my hamsters here.
Yes.
Wow, well hopefully they haven't been giving you too much trouble.
Yeah.
So you're a stable hand, right?
Yes.
So that means you work with horses.
I do.
And do you ever ride the horses?
Yes, I've been riding horses since I was 2 years old.
2 years old? Did you guys hear that? That's so young. I couldn't even imagine getting on a horse at that age. Wow. So there's so many different things with horses, like their hooves, their cool manes and nice hair, and as well as their, well, what else? Do they have big teeth?
They do have big teeth, and they have teeth that go all the way back to their jaw, almost to where their eyes are. And their teeth are like rabbits. They're always growing. So when they eat, it shaves down their teeth.
Wow, that's so cool. And what's their favorite food?
Horses love grass. Grass is their main food. They also do like hay, and I like making treats for them sometimes.
Oh, tasty treats. I love treats myself, too.
Oh.
Wow. And so you've been riding them since you were 2. Do you have a horse that's your own, like a pet?
Yes, so I used to do show jumping, which is where you ride horses over jumps. And his name is Paul.
Paul, he sounds like he'd be awesome. Maybe you guys could meet Paul and try to do some horse jumping with him. What do you think of that, Hot Rod?
Yeah, I love a challenge. I could jump way higher.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, I might be faster too.
Well, maybe one day I can give you guys some riding lessons. Wouldn't that be fun?
That'd be so fun. We could all ride together. But you think you're faster than a horse, though? I don't know about that. How fast are horses?
Horses can reach up to 70 kilometers an hour. Isn't that crazy? That's as fast as a car can go.
Well, maybe I can outrun a horse.
Yeah, it might be close, but I think they might have you guys beat, little hammies. Well, it's so cool we could learn all about the stable and the horses with you. I hope you have a great time out there, and see you later.
It's time for
Did you know that there's about 1 million moose in North America? That's the same amount of people that are in Edmonton. That's a lot of moose.
Just telling me that our good friend Beaver wasn't able to make the animal party. But that does make sense, because he's a pretty busy guy. He's making a dam right now. And a dam is a structure built by a beaver to create a little pond. It stops the water, and the pond can stop predators from getting to the beaver, as well as create a nice little ecosystem with some food there for him, a nice little pond area built by the dam. And the dam is built from sticks, mud, pretty much anything they can find and chop with their teeth. The beaver is always doing his best building the dam, so makes sense he was a little busy. But he's a very beautiful Canadian animal. He is actually Canada's national animal. We love you, Beaver. Good job making that dam. We'll hope to see you at the next party.
I'm a moose, I got antlers on my head. That is true, remember what I said. Oh, forget it. Got 2 antlers on my head, and my fur is a dark brown. I'm a big moose walking around.
Hey, Moose. Hey, Mr. Moose, it's good to see you here in Canada. Yeah. I'm a beaver, here's a fact on me. I got pretty big teeth, I just chomp the wood to build my home all nice and good. I'm a beaver walking around.
Oh, hey, beaver.
Hey, Moose, with your big antlers. Hey, Moose. Hey, beaver, with your big old teeth. I've got big teeth I'm a big animal with brown fur, big teeth, big paws. Around here I'm the boss. I'm a grizzly bear walking around. Roar! Hey moose with your antlers, hey beaver with your teeth, hey bear they call a grizzly. Hey, how's it going? There's lots of animals in the world, there's lots of animals to see. There's lots of animals in Canada, thanks for seeing them with me.
Wow, there's so many animals in the world and so many cool animals in Canada.
Over there, I think I see a loon. I think they're on the back of the dollar. Guess that's why they call it a loony.
There's also horses, wolves, chickens, elk. Canada's got everything.
I'm just admiring this drawing of an adorable little monkey. This drawing was given to me from a worker at the local pet store that I shop at. I get lots of cool things for the hamsters there, and just sometimes go in to visit and see the animals and talk to people that work with them. People that work with animals, they have a really interesting life and interesting stories to tell when they get to be around these adorable, cool creatures all the time. You could have a cool time with animals, whether that's working at the zoo or the pet store or even the stable, like Stablehand Sally. I wonder what the most interesting thing that's ever happened to her at work or with the horses is. Let's ask a friend.
Let's hear from a friend. Let's hear from a friend. Let's hear from a friend.
The coolest experience I've had with a horse is one day I came to work at the stable, and we have a lot of mom horses who are pregnant. And so this baby wasn't supposed to be due for another couple of days. And so I walked in, and I was the first one at work that day, and I look in his stall, and the mom had given birth to the baby. And so I was surprised because it wasn't supposed to be there quite yet. It wasn't quite ready to come out, but I found it there, and it was happy and healthy. And it also happened to be my birthday, so me and that baby horse share a birthday. And another fun fact is horses are pregnant for up to 11 months, and a baby horse is called a foal.
Oh, hey Evan, how's it going?
It's going pretty good, Hamilton. How's it going with you?
Oh, awesome. Today I've learned about so many cool animals. Our friend Stablehand Sally came here who taught us about horses. It's just been such a cool day.
Did you hear that?
What was that?
What do you have under here, Evan?
Well, I heard you guys were learning about animals, so I thought I'd bring one in to show you guys, but he might be a little older than what you were expecting.
Whoa! Is that a dinosaur?
That's right, buddy. This is a T-Rex.
That's pretty cool. I've never seen one of those before. They must be pretty old. How old are they?
Well, they're so old that they came from both the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods.
Wow. That's so long. So like millions of years ago.
Absolutely millions and millions of years ago. And they were around on the Earth for over 180 million years.
Wow.
That's a long time. Wow.
That's
He's
right.
so cool. And he's got such big teeth and cool eyes.
I know, right? Look at his teeth.
Whoa. Watch out, Evan. Did you guys see that? Yeah, that was... I'm glad you guys don't do that to me. They're trustworthy hamsters. I'm a lucky one. But you got to watch out. What kind of things does a dinosaur eat?
Well, that's a good question, Hamilton. Different dinosaurs eat different things. Now, you can tell what kind of food a dinosaur eats by its mouth. Now, if they eat plants, typically they had a beak. And if they eat meat, they'd have sharp teeth like our friend Chomp here.
Oh, I had to see it. I don't know. Can I give him a little pet?
Sure, go ahead, but be careful. Don't get too close to his mouth.
He's so cool. Oh, I think he likes it. He's closing his
I
eyes.
think so. He's purring a little bit too. Can you hear that?
Yeah, Chomp.
Wow,
You're awesome.
Sweet.
Well, it's so cool we got to see him today. Dinosaurs. And so he's a T-Rex. But there's so many different other kinds of dinosaurs, isn't there, Evan?
That's right. There's so many different kinds of dinosaurs. They can range from underwater dinosaurs to land dinosaurs to even flying dinosaurs.
Whoa, flying in the air. That would be cool. Imagine if there was flying hamsters. I mean, there is flying squirrels, kind of close. But that's so cool and so fun. Yeah, Chomp looks so awesome.
Oh, yeah.
He's a true carnivore. Can I give him another little pet?
Oh yeah, of course. Go right on in.
Hey, Chomp.
Oh,
Oh, what a nice guy.
he
and
really
so,
likes you.
I think he must be busy guy and he has so much fun running around. You said you keep him in the crate to make sure he's safe?
That's right, because otherwise he'd probably speed off on us pretty fast.
And does Chomp usually take like a nap or does he go to sleep ever?
He does. He actually needs a lot of sleep as a baby. He's only 3 years old, right?
He's only 3. It's almost like he was just born just a couple of years ago.
That's right. Well, maybe we should put him down for a nap. What do you think, Hamilton?
I think that's not. What do you guys think? I think it sounds like a great idea.
Yeah, well, I actually know his favorite lullaby.
Okay.
So maybe you guys would like to hum along with me?
That sounds great, Evan. I'd love to.
All right, well, here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, dinosaur, how I love to hear you roar, stomping through the trees so high, while your friends fly through the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, dinosaur, the day is done, it's time to snore.
Oh, he fell asleep. He looks so cute. Oh, Chomp's the best.
What do you think? Should we put his blankie back on?
Yeah. Guys, they don't fall asleep that easy. Hot Rod's always talking to me all night and trying to... It's crazy. Well, good night, Chomp.
Good night, buddy.
See you later.
Good night, Chomp.
Wow, Evan, thanks for bringing him over. It was so cool to learn about dinosaurs as well as animals today.
My pleasure. It was an absolute blast getting to talk to you.
See you later, Evan. Hope you have a great rest of your day.
Alrighty, you too.
Bye-bye, Chomp. Hopefully he stays sleeping for you.
Incoming call from Dolly.
Dolly's on a journey and she's giving us a call. Dolly's a hamster so cute and so small. Where's Dolly?
Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm in Nunavut, in the Northwest Passage. I'm so glad that my learning journeys brought me here. I'm trying to see the Arctic Big Five, the beluga whale, polar bear, musk ox, walrus, and the evasive narwhal. The narwhal is the most mysterious and hard to see. I'm gonna go try to find them. Bye-bye.
Wow, I love seeing all the animals today. So much fun!
Yeah, I love spending time with all of our friends, like Stablehand Sally.
And Bobby Bear!
Yeah, and Gonzo and Chomp and all of our other awesome animal friends. We're all friends in the animal kingdom now, and we're so glad you could be our friend too. Thanks for coming by to Hamilton and the Hamsters, and we'll see you on the next time. Bye-bye!